Hello everyone, what's up with the Vedantu Commerce? This is me Aditya Arya, Master Teacher of Mathematics and Statistics. So guys, in this video I am going to discuss question number 17 from page number 30 of chapter 1 Relation Functions Miscellaneous Exercise. So if you wanted to have more such video, hit the like button and share these video with your mates who are looking for NCERT solutions. And if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button so that you will get the notification on time. So let's discuss about this question number 17. Question is, let A is equals to a set having 1, 2, 3, basically 3 elements. So from this statement, a particular thing came in my mind: how many ordered pairs that you can make? How many ordered pairs you can make? 9. 3 into 3. 9 ordered pairs for a relation defined from A to A. So listen carefully. What I am saying, if you wanted to define a relation from A to A, you will have. So number of elements in a relation defined from A to A will be number of elements in the first set multiply number of elements in the second set, which is equals to 3 into 3 is 9. That's the first thing. Now the second point is number of equivalence relations containing 1, 2. So 1 comma 2 is necessary, but equivalence relation says it must satisfy the condition of reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So reflexive says every element of the set A must be connected to itself, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 3, and this is how we have satisfied the condition of reflexive. Now never check for symmetricity for these kind of ordered pairs, A comma A kind of ordered pair, because they always satisfy. So we will not waste time in this. But this particular equivalence relation which must have 1 comma 2, which is given in the question. But symmetricity says if we are having A comma B, B must have B comma A. So 1 comma 2 says we must have 2 comma 1. Out of 9 elements of the relation or 9 ordered pairs of the relation, we have taken 5. Now if you wanted to check the condition of A comma, the condition of transitivity, what transitivity says, if there is a ordered pair A comma B and B comma C, there must be A comma C. And I also said never check for A comma A. Never check for these 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, never check for these ordered pairs transitivity. So 1 comma 2 says, do we have anything starting with the 2? A comma B, B comma C. Says there must be A comma C, means 1 comma 1. Do we have 1 comma 1? Yes. Now for 2 comma 1, do we have anything starting from 1? Yes, 1 comma 1. But as I said, no need to check, it will always says yes. So we can say this particular relation having these 5 ordered pairs is a equivalence relation, but we have just find out the one. Let's check for the next one. You have to do it. So we can say these 5 are the must. These 5, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, sorry, there is no 4, 4, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2 and 2, 1. Now this is a equivalence relation and this is the minimum, you can say. And now if we can add, we must satisfy the reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Reflexive always satisfy. Now what are the other ordered pairs that is remaining? It's 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, it's 1 comma 3, it's 3 comma 1. Fine. Now if you wanted to include any one of these, let's suppose 2 comma 3, you must include 3 comma 2. Why? The condition of symmetricity. So you can take anything, doesn't matter. So let's say I am writing over here 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 2. Now after this, guys, you have to satisfy the condition of transitivity. Now let's take anything which ends with 2. Let's take 1 comma 2. Now 1 comma 2 with 2 comma 3, A comma B, B comma C says you must have 1 comma 3. So we must include 1 comma 3. Similarly, we must have 1 comma 3. Now you will take anything like this which ends with 3. Okay, you can take 2 comma 1. Okay, 2 comma 1, 1 comma 3 should have 2 comma 3. So pick anything, one will call for the other, one will ask for the requirement of the other. The question arises, if there is 1 comma 3, there must be 3 comma 1. if you wanted to start with this, if you wanted to start with this, if you will pick any one of these four ordered pairs, you have to pick them all. So basically we are saying all, either this relation which is having 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 2 2 1 only, or all the ordered pairs. So basically you will be having two equivalence relation on this set A, which is having the three elements 1 2 3. I hope guys you understand the solution. And I want to inform you all, at 11 a.m. there is a daily release of a short video of 30 40 50 seconds where I explain, so that your calculation becomes faster. At 3:30 p.m. I do come live where we do Menti quizzes, academic session where we will discuss the theoretical part or something for your development or motivation kind of things. At 6:30 p.m. you will have this kind of NCERT solution video. We also have released Maharashtra Commerce Board on the Vedantu Pro, and we also released the Commerce batch where we can include everyone. So this batch has been released on 4th of October, and the next batch will be released on the 25th of October for grade 11 and 8th of November for grade 12. And guys, apart from this, there is a link in the description box which you can explore to check out the more courses like your crash course before the term one, so that you can maximize your preparation, you can boost your preparation. But do not forget to use the code ADAPRO, which will give you 10% off. And on these all long-term batches, you will be having the guarantee of the program VIP. That means you will definitely have the improvement from our side, and if not, there will be the refund of all the money. Hit the like button if you really love the explanation, and share this video with your friends, and subscribe if you are new over here. फिर मिलते हैं अगली क्लास के अंदर. Till then, take care. Bye bye.